Hello everyone! In this 8th video, we're going to continue exploring the benefits of implementing an energy-efficient multi-agent system solution. Do you have any questions?
Hi, I have been hearing about automation and multi-agent systems. I want to understand how they can help my company to be more efficient. Could you explain it to me?
Of course. Let's start with the basics. Automation is key to optimizing processes. For example, in manual management, although you have flexibility and customized control, error proneness and inefficiency are major constraints. Do you have any experience with these difficulties?
Yes, we often face delays and errors in data management, especially when working with large volumes of information.
That's normal. That's where automated management and multi-agent systems make a big difference. Automation can handle large volumes of data accurately, reducing errors and improving productivity. But multi-agent systems take this a step further.
How exactly do multi-agent systems work?
Imagine a team of intelligent agents, each with a specific task. These agents work autonomously, but also collaborate with each other to achieve a common goal. For example, in logistics, one agent can manage inventories while another plans delivery routes. This not only optimizes resources, but also improves adaptability.
Interesting. And how do these advantages translate to my industry?
It depends on your needs, but there are clear examples in various sectors. For example, in transportation, the Madrid Metro managed to reduce its energy consumption by 25% with energy regeneration systems. In manufacturing, a factory in Mexico used solar energy to reduce costs by 30%. Would you be interested in optimizing energy costs as well?
Sure, but I'm also concerned about the return on investment. How can I be sure it's worth it?
Excellent question. ROI is the best way to measure it. For example, if you invest in a multi-agent system to optimize your supply chain, you could calculate the net benefit by reducing costs and increasing efficiency, divided by the total cost of implementation. While the initial investment may seem high, the return is often much higher within a few years.
But I've heard that ROI doesn't always reflect long-term risks or changes. Is that true?
That is why we recommend complementing ROI with tools such as net present value, NPV, or internal rate of return, IRR, which consider the time value of money and the associated risks. This gives you a more complete and reliable view.
Sounds interesting. Can you give me more practical examples of success stories?
Of course. In the financial sector, multi-agent systems are used to prevent fraud by analyzing patterns in real time. In construction, projects such as BedZ in London have achieved near-zero energy consumption thanks to advanced technologies. These cases show how the implementation of these solutions generates tangible benefits.
This seems like a necessary step to modernize my company. What would I need to get started?
The first step is to analyze your current processes and facilities to determine which tasks could be automated or benefit from a multi-agent approach. Then, a customized plan can be developed that considers your goals and budget. In addition, it is crucial to train your team to maximize impact.
It sounds like an ambitious project, but also an exciting one. How can we move forward?
We cannot continue doing the same thing we have been doing all our lives. We have to evolve our company's DOT. If you have more questions or want to deepen in any aspect, you can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada by LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and can clarify any other questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the energy efficiency of companies.